We got a little competition.
I thought it was like koala.
Brothers Bistro, hot bites, bringing you tips to ensure your success.
So I'm hoping that I'm gonna kick your butt on this one too. So we want to share with the viewers a hack on how to declove. How do they say that? Declove the garlic.
Yeah,
clove,
I guess.
right?
Yeah.
To get the clove
So
out.
yeah, to be clear, we're trying this for the first few times too. So we haven't figured out a method that's really great. We've seen some that look like they work better, and some of them that seem to align with us as the Brothers Bistro.
Yeah,
Simple, easy to do, blah, blah, blah. This one isn't super simple. I mean, it just didn't seem to work, hasn't worked that great for me in the past, but I'll try it again. So the idea with this one is,
Don't cut your finger, bro.
I'm gonna cut it off the end, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this end.
That end.
almost got the wrong part. So I'm gonna cut off that end. Well, see, that's the same did last. Cut off the end, and then
Turn it over. Okay, now mine is a little bit more mental. I have been told that you can put this bad boy in the microwave for 20 seconds. So that's what we're gonna do, and then it should be able to kind of come apart.
okay.
So let's see what happens.
So the idea here is it's gonna warm up the garlic a little bit, and the skin that you typically leave behind here is gonna peel off real easy, easier than this. Like this didn't peel off a lot of these cloves of garlic. There's still some work left to be done because it just didn't come off. Could be operator error, but we'll see how his works, because I would say this is a failed attempt.
And of course, the time is different. You know, I put it in there for 30 seconds, and I think maybe it's too hot for me to touch.
Oh, this is beautiful. That pulled off pretty easy. Pull one of those out and see if you can get it apart.
I don't want to burn myself. Oh yeah, that came apart easy.
Wow!
Look at that.
Guys, we've got it figured out here.
Look at that.
That was pretty simple, right?
Yeah.
Does it come right? Yeah, look at that squeeze.
Woo,
Squoze,
it's
it
hot.
squoze right out.
Yeah. So
And
next
that was
time,
the deal, because you got to get it down to the part where it's the meaty goodness of the.
Yeah.
And when you have it hot like that, the skin wants to just come right off. It's a little warm. Probably could have went a little less time.
yeah, and every
But
microwave.
look at
is-
that.
Yeah.
That's pretty simple.
Every
That's way
microwave is
simpler
going to
than
be a
that.
little different. So yeah, if you want to get garlic cloves, that's the way to get them.
So this is your latest Bistro Brothers Hot Bite.
That's right. And
Just a
we'll
quick and easy tip.
we'll be right back at you with some other tips. You know.
Follow us, subscribe, turn on the post notification, right?
Give us a big thumbs.
We're gonna be right back at you. Brothers Bistro, out.
Brothers Bistro, hot bites, bringing you tips to ensure your success.